Welcome back to my channel. So I'm at Lashings boutique today. I have my maternity shoot today. So it's beautiful up here. It took forever to find, but it's really gorgeous. This vlog is gonna be short because my storage space is awful, but guys, the view, the sunlight, it's everything. I'm gonna show you guys the view. And that is the pool. Oh, gorgeous. I'll find my baby daddy. So guys, let's do a quick room tour. It's like really short. It's a really small room. So this is the bedroom, and then the bathroom is around here. The toilet, the shower is over there. We have a mirror. And then there's a mirror over there, and then we have this little cabinet thingy. Oh, we have towels here. We got a lantern on each side. That's one of the doors to get out. This is my favorite part of the room. So outside the room we have a hammock. And then a sitting area. We also have a kitchen on this side, which is empty. The fridge is empty. Don't know why they leave us with an empty fridge, but they have utensils. So if you're gonna bring your stuff and cook, there's a nice little area. And there's an area you can sit and dine. I like those pillows. It's really heavy, but it's comfortable. The steps them for come up and go down crazy. And they have like birds over there. Not sure what kind of birds, but them step here horrible. Don't think somebody with a wheelchair would want to book this room that we got. They said guest only, but that's a lie. The sun is great. I love the sun. Alright, so it's basically it for this vlog. We're about to leave. Boy, I'm tired. We're about to leave. I'm gonna do, well, we shot some pictures here and the view is nice, so I expect them to turn out nice, but we're gonna change locations and then shoot some more pictures and hopefully they turn out good. So thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.